Okay, children. So last class we were just discussed about Jacobins Club. Okay, who were Jacobins? Who were Jacobins? Eva? Eva, can you tell me? Who were Jacobins? It's not audible, Eva. Lena?
Pins was the most successful club.
Yeah.
It
Okay.
was named after the convent of Saint Jacob in Paris.
Very good. Okay, children. See, children, Louis XVI, he was not happy with the incidents. Okay, because there is a constitution that limit his power. Okay, and his powers were limited or checked by the constitution. So Louis XVI was not, not happy with the constitution. So he went, means he entered a secret treaty with the neighboring country. That means against with Prussia and Austria. Okay, and before they moving into an action, and this means Prussia, Austria, along with Louis XVI, they were planning to do something against to the National Assembly. Okay, and before they were moving into an action, National Assembly voted and they declared war against Prussia. Okay, and there was a belief among the people that the Constitution of 1791 had given the power only to the richer members of the society. Okay, and so they formed many political clubs. Okay, we have in our country, that means in India, it is a democratic country, and we have different political parties, right? Political parties. Have
Yes,
you heard
ma'am.
about political parties?
Yes.
Can you tell me an example?
UDF, LDF,
Yes, UDF, LDF. Okay, and
BJP.
what these political parties are doing?
They stand for election.
No, they will stand for the election, and those who win will become the ruling party, and other one will act as the opposition party, right?
Yes.
And what is opposition party is doing?
They are also standing against them.
They will
Stand against them in
yes,
elections.
they will criticize. Okay, they will criticize the policies of the government. If it is not fair, okay, the government, the policies of the government, ruling party, if it is not fair, they will start to criticize it. They will find out the loose points or the problems related with the each policies of the government. Recently, we can see many issues in television, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So, which party is in power in Kerala?
No. LDF, no.
LDF government. In central government,
UDF and BJP.
BJP, only BJP. Okay, BJP is the main power. They are handling the power. So, children, what I have told you is that the political parties is acting as a criticism against the government. They are checking the policies of the government. Okay, so here also they formed, France also, they formed many political clubs. Okay, and they will start to discuss about the government policies, their own style of government. Okay, and one among, okay, these political club, the most successful club was which was the most successful political club during this time?
No.
Jacobins. Okay, Jacobins. Who was their leader?
Maximilian Robespierre.
Maximilian Robespierre. Okay, Jacobins was the most successful political club and Maximilian Robespierre was the leader. Okay, and can you tell me what all things they have done in the society? Tell me about their attire, means about their costume.
Red striped.
Yeah,
Red and
they
white
started
striped.
to wear long striped trousers. Okay, because during this time, the richer members of the society, they used to wear the dress till knee. Okay, knee breeches. Okay, so these people, in order to make them distinguish from their,
Ma'am,
yeah, who is calling me?
waiting on the waiting room.
Wait, wait. I couldn't see anyone is there in the waiting room.
LV.
No, no one is here in waiting room. Okay, see children, so this, in order to make them separate, okay, they wore red stripped, okay, long stripped trousers, okay, and they were called as,
San Pelotas.
yes, sans-culottes. Okay, literally it means that those who without knee breeches, okay, those who are wearing long stripped trousers. Okay, and they also wear a red cap. What the red cap symbolize?
Liberty.
Liberty. Okay, the red cap which symbolizes liberty. Okay, and the members of the Jacobean clubs, they belongs to the poor section of the society, that means less prosperous section of the society. It included women, pastry workers, shoemakers, small laborers. Okay, means all the members, almost all the members of the Jacobean clubs were the poor section, means were from the poor section of the society. Okay, and they have planned to attack the king. Okay, because of the short supply of wood. Okay, because of the short supply and the increasing price of the food. Okay, and they attacked the king's palace, massacred the king's guard, okay, and made the king hostage for several hours. They captured the king for several hours. Okay, and the National Assembly voted for the next election. Very soon time, they faced an election. Okay, and the newly elected assembly was called as, tell me dear children, the newly elected assembly, it was called as, please respond to me children, the newly elected assembly. Still that time National Assembly was the convention. Okay, the newly elected assembly, it was called as convention, and in that election, okay, in that election, all men above the age of 21, regardless of their wealth. Okay, till that time, what was the situation?
Only active people can vote.
Only active citizens could able to vote. Okay, those who are paying the highest bracket of tax. Okay, those who are included in the highest bracket of tax payers. Okay, so this time in this election, all men above the age of 21, regardless of their wealth, okay, was given the chance to vote. Okay, and the newly elected assembly, it was called as convention. Okay, see children, let me share a screen. And see, here you can see the picture of Mary Antoinette and Louis XVI. Okay, she was very luxurious. Mary Antoinette, she was very luxurious. Wait, children. I can see some students here in the waiting room, but here is no options to admit them. Let me see. Okay. And on 21st September 1792, monarchy was abolished and France become independent. Means France become a republic, means that the people will elect the members of the National Assembly. Okay, and Louis XVI, he was sentenced to death death on charge of treason, betrayal of one's own country, and on 21st January 1793, he was executed. Okay, then the reign of terror. So the next means the following year, that means 1793 to 94, Robespierre ruled over France. Okay, Robespierre, that means the leader of Jacobins, Maximilien Robespierre, he ruled over France. Okay, and all those he saw as being enemies of the republic, that means ex-nobles, clergy, members of other political parties, even members of his own party who did not agree with his members were arrested, imprisoned and tried by the revolutionary troubles. Okay, and if found guilty, they were guillotined. What is guillotine? Hmm?
Used for killing people.
Ah, yes, it's a machine, it's a device, okay, and which has two blades at the poles, which each poles. Can you see the
Which
picture?
kill
Yeah,
the head.
and the person will be beheaded. Okay, his head will be cut. Okay, with this by using with this machine. Okay, so guillotine machine. It was invented by Dr. Guillotine, so that it got its name. Okay, so reign of terror means the 1 year Robespierre who ruled over France. That means 1793 to 94. 1 year he was in power, and anybody who is talking against his policies were humiliated, imprisoned, and treated very badly. And he became very unpopular because of his harsh punishment. Okay, see children, with these machines, he is even tried to means without any means necessary reason. Even the nobles, the ex-nobles, clergy, means the people who belongs to all this section, and the members of the other political clubs. Okay, and even the members of his own political club, if they are not agree with his suggestion, okay, with his policies, were being executed. That means were guillotined. Okay, and he brought many measures. Okay, he tried to bring equality among the people. Okay, complete equality, brought all people together. Okay, voting right given to all men above the age of 21. There is no discrimination on the basis of their wealth. Okay, all men above 21 can vote under his reign. Okay, and voting upper age limit reduced from 25 years to 21 years. Okay, and women were not having voting right. They will finally get only in the year 1946 only, that we will study in our next unit. Okay, did women have a revolution? We are studying. In that we will study about it. Women till this time, women were not given the chance to vote. Okay, they have got only in the year 1946 only in France. This was the guillotine machine. Okay, and I have told you he tried to bring equality among the people. Okay, and what were his measures were here? He placed, okay, maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed. Okay, it's available in as ration. Use of expensive white flour was forbidden. The food of the rich people. Okay, it was forbidden. It was banned. Children, are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. Then all members were required to eat a loaf made of whole wheat. Means the rich as well as the poor were required to eat the same type of food. Okay, bread is their staple food, right? Okay, the same food made of whole wheat, okay, is required to be eat. Okay, is to be used by the means by both the rich and also the poor. And all men and women were citizen and citione. They were monsieur or madam. Okay, they used to address the nobles. Okay, from this time, it is only citizen and citione as citizens. Okay, not madam or sir. And the churches, all churches were shut down and were converted, and their buildings were converted into offices. Okay, so this was the policy of the Maximilian Robespierre. Okay, but he was very cruel. Okay, and he became very unpopular because of his harsh policies. Okay, so he also was um, guillotined. Okay, he became very unpopular. Okay, he was arrested and he also was guillotined. Okay, so in the year 1794, 64, the reign of Robespierre also over in France. Children, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, only 1 year Maximilian Robespierre was in power. In means he ruled over France. Okay, and he was very cruel, and he followed means a ruthless policy towards his enemies. And even he lost his support from his own political party because of his harsh policies. Okay, and at last he himself also was guillotined by the people. Okay, he was arrested. Okay, and he was being just a minute. He was arrested and he was also guillotined. Okay, so his rule over also, it is also over in the year 1764. The reign of terror, it is over. Okay, see children, just I will show you the picture. Wait. See children, just you think about the incidents that happened over in France. It was ruled by, see children, it was ruled by the King Louis XVI. It was a hereditary monarchy. Okay, and he was attacked by the middle class people. That means third estate members. Okay, and they drafted a constitution for France. Okay, then the constitution, that means the National Assembly ruled over the country. Very soon, okay, National Assembly was overthrown by Robespierre. Okay, and he ruled over France for 1 year. Okay, and he introduced many measures, but he became very unpopular due to his policies, harsh policies. Okay, he used the guillotine machine. Okay, he used to make the children, means his follow, means those who are opposing him. Okay, he killed them. Okay, so he himself was arrested and was guillotined by the people. So the rule of Robespierre also was over in France. Clear till? Is it clear, children? Any doubt? Any doubt, children?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay. So the rule of Robespierre, it is over in France. Okay, the next come the Directory. Okay. So there are some reformers of the National Convention that we have just told that the National Assembly, the newly elected assembly, it was called as convention. Okay, they opened new schools. The National Convention, they opened new schools and supported ideas of universal elementary education, encouraged religious toleration, all religious people, okay, and established wages and price controls to stop inflation. Inflation, what do you mean by inflation, children?
Mm.
Rise in the price of the food.
Food.
Okay,
And
yeah.
that encourage religion toleration means
He tried to religious toleration. What do you mean by religious toleration? All religions can be work smoothly. Okay. Okay. All the
Yes,
religious ideas, they had given support to all people, means those who are different religious. Okay, they
yes,
could
ma'am.
religion. Yeah. Then they try to control the price. Okay, to stop inflation. Okay, see here in France, it was it was frequent issue was that there was a rise in the price of the essential food things. Okay, so they tried to make it controlled and adopted metric system. Do you know what is metric system? Metric system in maths, have you studied
Yeah, ma'am.
metrics? Yeah, yes. Don't say no. See, children, we are using means a decimal system. We are using by meter, centimeter, and all. You know,
Yes, ma'am.
it was first invented by a Frenchman. Okay, so they adopted metric system and it abolished slavery in French colonies. What do you mean by slavery?
Ma'am, slavery means adimano.
Yeah. The people, some people are means they become sold in the market, okay, as slaves. Okay, mostly the people from Africa, okay, and they were being sold as slaves, and they needed to work for them. Okay, so this all was the reforms by the National Convention. Okay, and so the rule of Robespierre, when it's over, okay, a new constitution is written, okay, by the members of the third estate people, by the middle class people, those who are very wealthier and richer that we have studied while we studied on the first unit. Okay, these people created a new constitution and it is being called as directory. Yes, very important, children. So after when the rule of Robespierre, when it's over, a new constitution is being written in France, okay, and it creates a directory. Okay, a new ruling government of France in the year 1795 to 1799. And electors. We just discussed about the electors, right? They will choose the legislators and they choose 5 men to direct the country. They were called as directory. They will choose 5 members. They were known as directory. Very important. So the fall of the Jacobean government allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize the power. Okay, and a new constitution was introduced that is known as directory. Okay, and they appointed a directory of an executive made up of 5 members. An executive made up of 5 members. They were called as directory. Okay, because this was they meant to safeguard the power because The power was not handled by one single person like Robespierre. Okay, it was divided among 5 members. Okay, and these people, the elector, choose the legislatives and also the 5 men to direct the country. See children, there were two house legislature, council of 500 and 250 members. Okay, this council of 500 proposed the law. See children, our democratic country, we have 2 chambers. Can you tell me? Our parliament has 2 chambers. Which are they? Come on.
What is the question?
Our parliament. Okay, where is our central government, children?
Delhi.
Delhi. It has 2 chambers.
Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha.
Yeah, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Then Lok Sabha, the people who we elected as representatives. Okay, can be seen in Lok Sabha. What about Rajya Sabha? Tell me, dear children.